My name is Suraj Mishra. So the session was very good. Literally a lot to absorb in a day, but very systematically, and the charts, the way the matter is being made is very easy to absorb. Really.
So it's worth it for you.
Yeah, it's very worth for me. I've learned a lot in one day actually.
Okay,
In
super.
too short time.
Definitely. Yes, sir.
So my name is Salman Rajwani. After coming to this session, my concept of trading has completely changed, and now I feel quite confident that I will be able to make profit on a consistent basis by the help of Kishore sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, myself Kiran. Before coming to this session, I was going through so many candlesticks charts and all these things. But after attending this session, I'm very much confident that I can make money using this candlesticks method.
Super.
It's a very unique method, and thanks to Kishore sir for teaching me all those methods.
Thank you, sir.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल किशोर सर को थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना अच्छे तरीके से कैंडलस्टिक का नॉलेज दिया. ऑनवर्ड्स टुडे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं स्टॉक मार्केट में अच्छे तरीके से काम कर सकता हूँ. सो थैंक्स फॉर दिस वंडरफुल नॉलेज.
Great, sir. Thank you.
I'm Prashant Nair. Overall, Candletricks techniques and the methods, the way how we read the charts is very unique and it's very good. So, yes, I'll be having a profitable journey after this. Thank you very much.
Sure, definitely. But you need to do
Practice a lot.
exactly. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Milind Bhave. I think it was a very wonderful session, and overall I found very useful in terms of identifying the swing highs and swing lows, and I also what are the targets and stop loss clearly. And I just had a look at the manual, and I think it's very professionally done. So all the best to all the participants, and thank you very much, Kishore sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My name is Suraj. I gained more knowledge about candlestick. Now I am very confident to do trade.
Super, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Do practice, sir.
हाय मेरा नाम नितेश है. आफ्टर दिस सेशन आई वेरी बहुत सारे कंसेप्ट जो मुझे डाउटफुल थे वो क्लियर हो गए. और फॉर इंट्राडे आई गॉट बेस्ट स्ट्रैटेजीज. सो आई ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस एंड मेक अ प्रॉफिट.
Super. Thank you.